Guys, in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get a modded version of the CarX Street. No jailbreaker computer needed for this video. So as you can see, guys, I'm super loaded in CarX Street. So I'm going to show you guys how to get rich just like me. So let's get right into the video, guys. And I'm going to show you how to download this modded version of the CarX Street, guys. No jailbreaker computer is needed for this video. So as you can see, guys, I'm super rich, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. It's super insane, guys, and it fully works. So let's get right into the video, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. Alright guys, so as you can see in the CarX Street, I'm super rich, so I'm going to show you guys exactly how to download this modded version of the CarX Street onto your device. So what you want to do, guys, is go to this website. It's called zoomods.com. It has a ton of mods for apps and games. So let me just go ahead and type it in right here. So it's called Zoomods. So this is the website, guys, where we can download this crazy modded version of the game. So let me just go ahead and type it in right here. So I'm just going to type in CarX Street, and as you can see, guys, it says CarX Street mod. So just go ahead and press on this and wait for it to download. So be sure to go ahead and subscribe to the channel. I'm going to see you guys in a future video. But as you can see, guys, if I go to the search bar and I just type in CarX Street, you guys can see how expensive it is. So let me just do that right here. So I'm just going to type in CarX Street. So here's the game, and we're just going to find the game. And when you go to in-app purchases, as you can see, guys, it's super expensive. So be sure to go ahead and try this method out for yourself, guys, because it's fully working, and you can get everything for free without paying. Because, like, why would you want to pay, bro? Why would you want to pay for all this shit, guys? So be sure to go ahead and subscribe. I'll see you guys in a future video, but this is fully working, guys. It's super cool. So if this video works for you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it. I'm going to see you guys later. But as you can see, guys, my CarX Street game is pretty hot. So yeah, this is super cool, guys. So definitely go ahead and try it out for yourself. I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, this is fully working, guys. Super insane. So yeah, totally updated. So be sure to go ahead and subscribe to the channel. I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, this is super cool, guys. Fully working. So yeah, if you do need this CarX Street mod, guys, please do subscribe to the channel. I will see you guys later, and enjoy the video. This is super updated, guys, and it is not requiring like a jailbreak or anything like that, which is awesome. So if you need this installed, please do subscribe to the channel. I'm going to see you guys in a future video. Hope you guys enjoy the video, and yeah, guys, please do subscribe, and peace out.